In this video, I'll show you how to knit this beautiful cable-like pattern. Before we start, let's take a closer look at how the stitch is built. This pattern is very easy to remember, even though it has 6 rows. We begin with a cast-on that is a multiple of 4, plus 1 symmetry stitch and 2 edge stitches. But before we jump ahead, let me show you how the pattern forms. The rows themselves are simple. In the first 4 rows, we work a variation of a 1x3 rib. The only row that needs more attention is the 5th row, where we knit the stitches in a different order. In the 6th row, the 1x3 rib repeats again. Here is one pattern repeat, 4 stitches. The first stitch is a purl stitch. It separates the repeats and also works as the symmetry stitch, giving the pattern a balanced look. The next 2 stitches are knit stitches. The 3rd stitch, however, is slipped for 4 rows, always slipping it purlwise with the working yarn held at the wrong side. This is the stitch that creates the cable-like effect as it travels from left to right. This pattern uses only knit, purl, and slipped stitches. My sample has 35 stitches, which gives me 8 pattern repeats. Now let's begin. For nice edges, I use a yarn over and slip one at the beginning, and knit them together at the end. First row, edge stitch, purl 1, knit 2, slip 1 stitch purlwise with yarn and back. That was 1 repeat of the pattern. Again, purl 1, knit 2, slip 1 stitch purlwise with yarn and back. One more time, purl 1, knit 2, slip 1 stitch purlwise with yarn and back. Repeat this to the end of the row. Then purl the symmetry stitch and finish with the edge stitch. Second row, edge stitch, knit 1, slip 1 stitch purlwise with yarn in front. Purl 2. That was 1 repeat of the pattern. Again, knit 1, slip 1 stitch purlwise with yarn in front. Purl 2. Repeat this to the end of the row. Then knit the symmetry stitch and finish with the edge stitch. Third and 4th rows. Work them exactly like the 1st and 2nd rows. Fifth row. This is the row where the magic happens. This is the stitch that creates the cable-like effect as it travels from left to right. Edge stitch, purl 1. Knit the 3rd stitch, the slipped one. Then knit the 1st and 2nd stitches. That was 1 repeat of the pattern. Again, purl 1, knit the 3rd stitch, the slipped one. Then knit the 1st and 2nd stitches. One more time. Purl 1. Knit the third stitch, the slipped one. Then knit the first and second stitches. Repeat this to the end of the row. At the end of the row, work the symmetry stitch, then finish with the edge stitch. Sixth row. Same as the second row. Edge stitch, knit 1. Slip 1 stitch purlwise with yarn in front. Purl 2. Repeat this to the end of the row. I hope this pattern inspires you, and maybe you'll use it in one of your handmade garments. I would love to see your finished project. Just keep repeating the 6 rows shown here. If you enjoyed this video, please support my work by liking and sharing it. And don't forget to subscribe for more knitting tutorials. Thank you so much for your support.